Today let's make hummus. It's Arabic dish and very easy to make. Let's start. It's a super combo as a starter. We need very few ingredients. Chickpeas. In Arabic, hummus means chickpeas. Tahina, paste of sesame seeds. Some lime juice, garlic, olive oil. That's all. Boiled chickpeas or tin chickpeas also you can take. Soak chickpeas in water, rub to remove their skins. Like this. Now make a paste of boiled chickpeas 400 grams. Garlic cloves 3 big. Tahina 4 tablespoons. That I bought from market. Lime juice 1 tablespoon. Olive oil 2 tablespoons. Generally they don't put salt, but I am putting little bit of salt, 1/4 teaspoon. That's enough. Now I am making a paste. I am putting little bit water, boiled chickpeas water, to make the paste smooth. Consistency of paste should be like this. Arabic hummus generally served like this kind of bowl. Now I am garnishing with paprika. Instead of that, red chili powder also. You can put some boiled chickpeas and some olive oil. That's all. Arabs have hummus as a starter with Arabic bread. We call kabous or caboose. It's really yummy. Just make it at home.